ABCD, anybody can draw.
Hello everyone, welcome to ABCD, Anybody Can Draw. So my name is Ram Ganpati and I am an animator, animation director and live action director, and I've been working in animation last 20 years and I have delivered more than 600 episodes for various channels like BBC, Netflix and Disney and Nickelodeon and many other channels. I have directed recently a series called Purples, which is coming on Netflix right now, which is 52 into 11 minutes episodes, and I have directed this myself and my friend Olivier. Actually, when I see today's kids, they have a difficulty when they want to draw or they want to paint or they want to experiment anything. I honestly believe that they can do anything because they have internet, they have technology, they have books, they have everything today. Often I find kids when they draw something that they realize that they are not artists, so that's why they draw badly and they tend to quit immediately. But if they know the basics and if they learn fundamentally, absolutely they can draw. The main purpose of this ABCD is to train you and educate you right from the basics. Summer is here, so I want you to practice nicely and enjoy learning all the way of drawing. So I am here to teach you all the fundamentals in my channel every day, day to day. You will have every day new video and you can learn and become the best and become the master in no time. Okay guys, so get ready and try to learn, and please subscribe to ABCD channel below and don't forget to ring the bell. Okay, so best of luck and be the best. Bye bye.